world is full of rare and mysterious events, some so shocking that they seem straight out of a movie. But these mind-blowing nature moments are real. From massive fire tornadoes to rivers turning to blood, these once-in-a-lifetime events have been captured for the world to see. Brace yourself for the most unbelievable nature moments ever caught on camera. This incident occurred in 2024 in Meghalaya, India. In this video, you will witness how the powerful flood currents easily tore down a bridge, sweeping it away in an instant. The poor villagers of the area could only stand helplessly, watching the heartbreaking scene unfold, unable to do anything to stop the destruction. This tragic event highlights the devastating force of nature and the struggles faced by communities in flood-prone regions. This incident took place in West Bengal, India, where a Royal Bengal tiger and a wild pig fell into a deep water tank during a midnight hunt. The tiger, in pursuit of its prey, unknowingly plunged into the water along with the pig. The situation remained unnoticed until morning when local villagers discovered the trapped animals. They quickly informed the forest department, and soon, the rescue team arrived. With great effort, the forest guards safely rescued both animals, ensuring their return to the wild.
This is our house. Please save us before we float
Winter
away.
floods can be incredibly dangerous and devastating. In this incident, which took place in Boston, icy floodwaters surged through the city, washing away everything in their path. As temperatures plummeted, the water quickly froze, turning cars, yards, and even underground structures into solid blocks of ice. The once busy streets became an eerie frozen landscape, highlighting the brutal power of nature in winter. This video captures the shocking aftermath of the disaster. How dangerous a sea storm. An overloaded cargo ship lost control due to strong currents and collided with a bridge pillar in Indonesia. The impact was intense, but luckily, there was no major damage to the bridge or the vessel. The ship's crew struggled for a long time to regain control as the powerful currents pushed against them. After a tense and challenging effort, the ship finally managed to cross the bridge safely, avoiding a potential disaster.
stop. Just like kind of stop. Oh my. Holy. Holy. Oh my God, please, Lord. Please, Lord, keep me on the ground. Oh my God. Oh my God, please, Lord. Holy.
Let's go.
哎呀，我的天哪！
哎呦，我的天哪！这叫什么事儿啊？
Look at the top. Oh my God. Never. That is bizarre.
Look at that boat.
Susan, have you ever seen them? No.
That boat's going first.
Look at the top, y'all. You can see the water coming down it. It's wind.
Hey, why does that happen?
Y'all, that is so cool. On your birthday, Harrison. Your own. Who cares? Your own water spout on your birthday. I wish I could call Will and Tara to look in the thing.
You can hang it.
No, I want to video it. It's too cool.
Tell Lou and Tara.
Jacob, call Will. Look at it. Oh my God. Oh, Tara is?
Look at that.
It's coming right toward us.
He needs to pick up Piper.
Y'all need to come up here.
Piper's gonna get blown away.
Oh! Oh! Look, it just picked up right there.